Alright guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this Slick2D tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple kind of getting in a car. So I just have these four car things right here, all these pictures, they're for different types of cars. And I put one in the world. And so now what we're going to do is when you go up to the car and hit E on it, when you're on top of it, it's going to put you in the car. The car's not going to disappear yet though. It's going to be a little bit simple. But we need to do a few things first, of course. We need to import the images. So what I want to actually do is import them like this. So I'm going to paste this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Car down. Car up. Car left. Car right. So now we have our 4 cars. Save that. And we're gonna make a boolean. So here we need to make a boolean. We'll make it up down here. Boolean in car equals false originally. Because basically when we hit E on the car, it's gonna turn that to true, so everything knows to activate. So now, just like we've been doing pretty much. So now, rendering. If in car equals true, then what do we want to do? So we want to say the car is activated. So we're going to say G, or we'll say car.draw. So we're gonna draw the car. And we're gonna draw it at the position of the character. Because we want it to basically be over our character. So we're gonna draw it at the position of the character. And now what is car you're saying? Car is going to be whatever we're using. So right now, we need to make a new image. And we're gonna call this image car. Because we need this image is going to be set to whatever one of these 4 images we pick. So, I actually want to be changing this while we're at it, because I really don't like this way I did it before. But anyway, where are we going next? So we need to set the image a name, or the image picture now. So, car is going to be equal, or actually we'll set all the other ones first. So car down is going to be equal to image res/car down.png. Oh, new image, sorry. And we're gonna paste this 3 more times. Car up, car up, car left, and car right. So this one will be left, this one will be right, and now at the bottom we're doing car is going to be equal. Well, we're not gonna set car up here actually, sorry. So down in our update, let's put it at the top. If. So now we need to copy this. So if character, let's just copy everything in our regular pickup item. So if the character position is equal to something. So I think we should actually get that right now. So we're gonna say if the character position. Let's get the right. What's wrong with this right now? There's something wrong with it. Is it messing up? I don't. Oh, and what's wrong with that? Did we copy something wrong? Oh, the if statement is wrong, I think. There. Now it's good. Alright. So we're actually going to play this game really quick. And we get the X, and we get both X's. So if we walk down here, I'm going to turn my sound off just in case I have my... The car isn't actually here. Let's open up this PNG. I think I saved it. No. Oh. Did I not save at all? There we go. So file, export, PNG. Oh, it's because we exported it to the desktop, probably. So I would need to make this bigger. I'll just save this in the right one right now. So actually I did that wrong, but I'm gonna actually copy this really quick. Actually, because I want this to be right. So we're gonna open up this one. We messed that up now, didn't we? So yeah, we lost our other stuff. We don't need to worry about that right now. So let's load up our game. And now we should have the car, because I really want to just go over the car. I'm not too worried about my game. The car's a little bit bigger than I was hoping, actually. But we're in the X. So X is going to go anywhere from, let's say, like here. So it's negative 723. Oh wait, we're looking at the Y right now. We're so dumb. Okay, I'm so dumb. Negative 687, negative 753. Oops, I didn't mean to close that. 753. 557? Something like that. We should put a comment over that so we know what we're doing. Oh, no, 680, let's say 698. So it's gonna be 698. And for the Y, we need to do 513, 329. 513, negative 329. They're both negative. They're all negative in this case. And we're gonna say slash get in car. Or this will just be the yeah, we'll get in car. So if you are doing that, and if the input dot is key down, input dot key underscore E. So if you're hitting E on the car, one more. Then we are going to set, what do we call our car boolean? In car. So now we're going to say, where's our in car is equal to true. So now that we're saying we're in the car, up here we said if we're in car, we're going to draw the car. So now we go down to our player, and we're going to say once we get in the car, where are we? I want to put it under, we'll put it above it, we'll put it under this. We'll say, if, we'll say if in car is equal to true, then we are going to set car equal to car, this is W, so this will be up, because we're going up. Yeah, but we also, actually that should work. So now we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste this in down, but it's going to be car down. A is left, so car left. I do want to fix this as I go along. I actually like the way I'm doing it now. I changed my style recently. I do like the under the actual methods now. Car left, and this should be car right. I think this should work now. I did this a different way when I did it in my personal game, but I believe this should be working. I'm not sure if the position drawing is right, but we'll check that in right now. So when we go to E, why does it crash? Set in car to car right. car.draw. Oh, wait. So what we want to do is we want to set the car to something in the originally. So we're going to set car equal to new image. And we'll say it's going to be the car down, because that's how the car is drawn right now, / car down. Because basically what we need to do is we need to set this as an image, because it doesn't know what it's loading right now. It's just loading nothing, so it crashes. I believe that should probably fix the error. If not, I'll have to pause it and check, but... So if we hit E, it doesn't do anything. So we should be drawing the character. I think the character position is wrong. So when we're drawing it, we are going to be... Actually, let's do this. We're going to do a system.out.println in car. This is basically just going to check if the code itself is working. I need to make sure it's actually working properly, so in car. We are in the car. Okay. So we're drawing the car at position X and Y. So instead I think we should do is what is the character actual position? 450, 300. We're drawing at 450, 300. So now we should be drawing the car at 450, 300. No matter what. And that should actually work. There we go. It's a little bit off, so we're going to want to change that. As you can see, it moves around as the car. So what I want to do is we actually want to slide this maybe 430 to, or well, yeah, to 80. Just have to slide it over a bit so it's over the player a little bit better. Because the car is bigger than the player by quite a bit. So those numbers aren't quite accurate. So now it goes slower, right? But it turns, it doesn't turn like, you know, perfectly. You'd have to actually do a ton of animation just to get the, like, to actually smoothly turn. But I'm just showing you how to do the basic car. There's one more thing we need to do, which is make it go faster. Obviously, you're in a car, you're going to be going a lot faster than walking. So before, what we did a while back, we made it so the movement is based on inventory.speed. So all we need to do is take inventory.speed, and we're going to say in our update method is in car equals true. Actually, I think can we do this in a render method? Let's check this right now. So in render, we're going to set that, and we're going to set the inventory speed equal to 2. Which I'm not sure if it'll actually work because we're in render, which is not really meant for that. Which we'll just have to make a little update thing. But let's check. So as you can see, it's a little fast. So we can set to like, what do we have our speed at right now? Normally our speed is equal to 0.1. Okay, and also I want to do that F because we are in a float. So we'll say it's going to be 1F once you start speeding around. So that's gonna make a car. You got a nitrous or stuff. Nitrous will basically be if nitrous is equal to true, then the speed changes. So we can actually not. Well, no, we're not gonna do that right now. But you could do that, or you can make this the movement a little smoother just by adding a bunch more pictures and making the animations up here. But we're not gonna go over that right now. I just wanted to show you how to make a basic car. So yeah, thanks for watching.